Hey guys, Abs here. I'm going to be taking you through a demonstration of our brand new software. It's yours for free as a bonus when you purchase Rank Recon. This is actually the perfect companion for Rank Recon, and I'm going to be showing you why, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use this with Rank Recon and how you can actually use this without it and actually get reports for your own SEO customers or your clients or whatever websites that you actually work for or work with. So I'm actually on Rank Recon, guys. I'm not going to be giving you a full overview of Rank Recon and what it does, because I've actually left you a link to the actual sales video so you can go over and actually see the video of Rank Recon in action as well. But I've actually done a quick search on Rank Recon, guys, for social media distribution with my website SociSynth, and it actually tells me I'm ranking #2 and it's a moderately high competitive keyword. If I go down, I can click on details, get some more details about SociSynth as well, and it actually tells me many areas about the offsite factors, such as the amount of backlinks I got, the amount of referring domains I got in there as well. It tells me the Moz rank, tells me the domain authority, tells me the Google page rank as well, and it also gives me the top 10 competitors or the top 10 listings in Google. And what this allows me to do is actually have a look at a glance and see exactly how many tweets, how many likes, how many backlinks they've got, and really see at a glance exactly. It's like having a snapshot of the offsite factors for your actual competition. From here you can actually see, okay, we've got less backlinks compared to another competitor that's outranking us, so why not? And if that's the only area that you see you're lacking in, then it's very easy and very simple for you to see that you need to increase the amount of backlinks you're getting as well. But one area that Rank Recon doesn't get you are the actual on-site factors, and this is where our bonus comes into play. So what you can actually do is actually feed all of these URLs inside of our software. Here's our software, guys, or you can actually go and get the top 10 competitors from Google as well. So I'm going to be giving you an example of this now. So I'm going to enter my keyword in here, for example, social media distribution. Okay, and I've actually got URLs that I want to import inside of here. So I'm going to click in the list of URLs. As you can see, there's only a few URLs in there. I've got my own website in there as well, SociSynth, because I want to get a report on my own site, and then I want to compare it to OnlyWire, Social Adder, Social Monkey, Sind, and TryPro, all of the guys who rank fairly high for the kind of key terms that SociSynth was targeting in the past. So from here, I'm not going to have anything to do with Google or Google location, and the reason behind that is because I'm going to go directly. I'm telling the software here that I want to get reports for these websites here. So I'm going to click on Process Report with 10 threads. And you'll actually see this in action. You can actually see the details here as well. So what the software is doing here, there's actually a much higher report, which I'm going to be showing you in a moment as well. So what the software is doing here as well, it gets the page rank of the actual website. It visits every website. It finds out, well, it gets the keywords, gets the titles, gets the heading tags. And obviously in the software display at the moment, it's not showing all this. It's only showing you a cross or a tick if it has got it in there. And then it also gets you the Facebook likes, the Google +1 counts, LinkedIn counts, Tumblr counts, that's the Tumblr tweets or retweet counts, the delicious counts, the stumble upon counts, and the Pinterest counts as well. Okay, so as you can see, SociSynth is killing all of these websites on Pinterest counts. We've actually got Pinterest links, whereas the other websites haven't. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually click on Export to CSV. As you can see, it said completed. I can click on Process Report again. I'm going to export CSV. I'm going to save it on my desktop, and I'm going to save it as SociSynth Report. Okay, and I'm going to go over to my desktop, and I'm going to open it up. Okay, so here you go. These are the actual websites. Okay, if you have a look at the headings at the top, these are the websites. So we've got all of our websites here. The next field is the page rank, telling you exactly what the page rank of the websites are. As you can see, SociSynth has got the lowest page rank, but we actually rank higher for our keywords. And this field here, all the way up to here, guys, actually, if we have a look all the way up to Pinterest, then this is everything that you actually see inside of this software field. Okay, inside of this GUI area here, it just tells you, was the keyword found in the URL, or in the title? No. In the URL? No. In the heading tags? No. So there's not much information you can actually get from here. It gives you some offsite factors as well, but the actual juicy areas is when it comes after here as well. So now we've got fields like the title. So as you can see down here, if I hover over that, look towards the top, it tells me the actual title for my SociSynth URL, and I can do this for all the other ones as well. So Social Monkey, OnlyWire, Sind, and I can see all the titles at a glance. The next field is the description, meta description. I can go down and I can see all the meta descriptions, and as you can see from here, this website here, which is Social Monkey, I believe, I can actually expand this very easy. Yeah, Social Monkey, they don't even have a meta description on their website. If I go over to Sind don't have a meta description on their website as well. Now meta keywords, guys, I can get the meta keywords from here as well. So my website meta keywords, I can get meta keywords that belong to OnlyWire. I can get keywords that belong to Social Adder and whatnot you as well. But even more cool than that, guys, are things like your headers. It tells you how many headers or how many headings were actually found on the actual pages as well. So with SocialSync, as you can see, we've only had 2 headings, and if we go to the next field, it actually tells you what the headings are as well. So for a H1 tag, we had social media content distribution. For a H2 tag, we had social media marketing. If we go down to Social Adder, they've had a lot of headings. They've got a lot of headings on there. If we go over to there, you can actually expand these as well, guys. Yeah, so if you're using Excel, you can expand these, or you can hover, you can scroll on them as well. Okay, so if we have a look at, for example, Social Adder, they've got heading 2 of a unique social media marketing service. For heading 2, again, they've got all the top social sites, and they've got diverse links, and then they've got web-based. Where it says 4, guys, 4 isn't part of the actual heading. It would be everything before that, so it's web-based. What I can't see though is any heading 1 tags. That's a bit strange. I see heading 2 tags here, loads of heading 2 tags, which is fine, but I can't see not one heading 1 tag. So as you can see, using this, it really gives you a quick glimpse of exactly what the website's all about, what's happening, and what areas you can actually start getting some better details for. But obviously, if you're using this for your own website and you're looking to get title ideas, or you're looking to get keyword ideas, or you're looking to see what your competitors are doing, or you're looking to see how they're optimizing on site, then this is perfect. So anyway, let's carry on, because there's a lot of details in this. Then you've got total images with alt and without alt. So obviously the alt stands for alternative text, and as you can see here, it only gives you a figure. So here it says 33, and then it says a comma 0, which means it's got 33 images. All 33 of them had alt text, which is SocialSync, which is perfect. OnlyWire, they've got 17 images with alt text, 28 images without any alternative text. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. We've got total internal links. So as you can see from SocialSync, it says we've got a total of 13 internal links. If we go over to the next section, it actually tells you the internal link with anchor text. So I can go over there and I can actually see what kind of links I've got internally, and what I'm actually linking out to them with. So as you can see, I've got FAQ, pricing, product tour, testimonials, contact us, social media training. These are all of the links that we've got inside of, so on the SocialSync website. We can actually go there, guys, so we can verify this. Okay, so here they are: home, FAQ, pricing, product tour, testimonials, contact us, social media training, social media signals and SEO, and obviously we've got some more links at the bottom there as well: refund policy, privacy policy, and everything's been picked up here as well, which is absolutely fantastic. Okay, so let's go over a few more fields. Okay, so we've got total external links as well. On SocialSync, we've only got 1 external link, and the external link anchor text it gives you as well, which was tweet. If we go over to the next website, they've actually got 63, and then they've got loads of register lost password. They're external, and it might be because they're actually going to subdomain or something like that. Okay, then you've got another area as well, the total bold, italic, underlined words as well. It tells you how many words or characters you've got, and it actually tells you the actual characters that are in bold, that are being used in bold or italic words or anything like that. So you get all the details here. And the final area, guys, was one thing that I really wanted to add to this system, was to find out exactly how many characters the actual URLs have got as well. So one area that you do hear being spoken about quite a lot is to have a minimum of 300 words per article, or have a minimum of 1,000 words, or whatever people suggest. So what this actually does here as well, it allows you to, well, it actually tells you exactly how many characters each one of those URLs have actually got on their actual domain. So this is the actual bonus, guys. This is only one area. Again, this is, let me show you the other area as well. So this was by me entering all these details inside of here. Okay, so instead of actually telling the software what URLs we want to go and get a report for, what I'm going to do now is tell the software to go and get a report from Google. So for this, what I'm going to do is enter my keyword. So we'll continue with the same keyword, social media distribution, and I'm going to tell Google here, get results from Google, and from here I can actually select what Google location I want. So we'll stick with google.com. You can have threads, guys. We're working with 10 threads because we only work with 10 results. You can only import 10 URLs at a time. And the way the software works, guys, it's fully multi-threaded. It'll have 10 threads when it's visiting the actual sites, getting the keywords, the titles, and all the meta descriptions. But when it actually works with Google and getting the page rank, and when it works with getting the likes and the social metrics, then it's only going to be working with one thread. And the reason we've done this, guys, is to save any of us having any issues. But again, it is still fast. It's very compact as well, and it works whilst minimized as well, so you can run whilst minimized. Okay, I'll just open that up again. Oh, I've got my Socialsin submitter working there as well. Fantastic. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is type in social media distribution, get results from Google, google.com, using 10 threads, and I'm going to click on process report. And what this is going to do now, as you can see, it's automatically went and got URLs from google.com. And as you can see in google.com, Socialsin actually ranks number 3. And what this is doing now is actually getting the PR, the social metrics for these as well. Okay, so you can actually see the details from there. So all of the actual on-site factors have been done, guys, but because of the page rank and because of the social metrics that we need to make multiple requests to different API services, so we make them requests one at a time as opposed to all 10 at a time and really killing off the API services. Okay, so this is exactly how it works, guys. It's very simple, very straightforward. The perfect companion for Rank Recon. Rank Recon will give you everything offsite related, and our new software will actually give you everything on-site related, guys. Okay, so as you can see, that's already been completed. I can click on here, I can save it over. I'll actually save over the Socialsin report, and I'll open that up again. And as you can see, it actually gives you all the details down here. This time, all URLs that have been scraped from Google, and Socialsin is actually ranking number 3. As I said, guys, this is all details from here is actually taken from what you see in the software, and all of these details here, guys, are all the details that are coming from the actual on-site factors as well. So it really gives you a fantastic snapshot of exactly what to expect with Rank Recon, and then it gives you, and then our bonus gives you a fantastic opportunity to go and look at all them competitors, find out what titles, what keywords, what data, who they're linking out to, what kind of keywords they're linking with, and how many characters they've got on their sites, and then really construct your own sites to make sure that you're ranking ahead of them. So thank you very much, guys, and I really hope you enjoy working with this bonus and Rank Recon.